Let's take a look at the 5 best free CAD software for manufacturing design. Number 5. Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a strong CAD tool for manufacturing design because it combines product modeling and manufacturing tools inside the same platform. Designers can create precise 3D models using parametric design, which allows dimensions and features to be adjusted later without rebuilding the entire part. This is very useful in manufacturing since product designs usually go through many revisions before production begins. Instead of starting over each time something changes, users can simply adjust the measurements and the model updates automatically. Fusion 360 also includes built-in CAM tools that help prepare parts for CNC machining. Designers can generate tool paths and review machining operations before sending the design to real manufacturing equipment. The software also supports exporting files for 3D printing, which makes it easier to test prototypes or small production parts. Another advantage is the cloud-based system that keeps projects saved and accessible across devices, reducing the chances of losing work. The interface is modern and fairly organized, although beginners may need a little time to understand the workflow. Once familiar with the system, Fusion 360 becomes a reliable environment for designing parts and preparing them for real manufacturing processes. Number 4. FreeCAD. FreeCAD is a capable open-source CAD program that works well for manufacturing design, especially when precise mechanical parts are involved. The software uses parametric modeling, which allows designers to adjust dimensions and features later without rebuilding the entire model. This is very helpful in manufacturing because small measurement changes happen often during the design stage. Instead of recreating the part from scratch, users can simply update the parameters and the model adjusts automatically. FreeCAD also includes workbenches designed for mechanical design, part modeling, and technical drafting. With these tools, users can design machine components, assemblies, and detailed parts used in manufacturing processes. The program also supports many file formats, which makes it easier to share models with other design software or export them for CNC machining and 3D printing. The interface may look a bit technical at first since the software includes many engineering tools, but once the workflow becomes familiar, it provides strong control over design precision. For engineers, students, and creators working on manufacturing parts, FreeCAD offers a powerful FreeCAD environment that supports detailed and adjustable product designs. Number 3. Onshape. Onshape is a cloud-based CAD platform that works well for manufacturing design because it focuses on precise mechanical modeling and collaboration. The software runs directly in a web browser, so there is no installation required and projects stay saved online automatically. Designers can build detailed 3D parts using parametric modeling, which allows dimensions and features to be adjusted later without rebuilding the entire model. This helps a lot during manufacturing development because product parts often need multiple revisions before the final version is ready. Onshape also includes a version control system that records every change made to the design. This allows users to review earlier versions or return to a previous state if something goes wrong, which keeps the design process organized. Another useful feature is real-time collaboration, where multiple users can work on the same design at the same time. This makes it easier for teams to review parts and improve the design during development. The interface stays clean and focused on mechanical modeling, which helps maintain an efficient workflow once users understand the system. For manufacturing design that requires accurate part modeling and team collaboration, Onshape provides a reliable FreeCAD environment. Number 2. DraftSite. DraftSite is a CAD program focused on 2D technical drafting, which makes it useful for manufacturing design where clear and precise drawings are required. The software works with DWG files, a format widely used in engineering and manufacturing environments, which makes it easier to share designs with production teams and other CAD programs. Designers can create detailed mechanical layouts, part drawings, and technical diagrams with accurate measurements. Dimensions, notes, and annotations can be added directly to the drawing so manufacturing teams clearly understand how each component should be produced. DraftSite also supports layers, which help organize complex designs by separating different elements such as structural lines, measurements, and assembly details. This keeps manufacturing drawings clean and easier to read during production planning. The interface follows the style of traditional drafting software, so users who have worked with technical drawing tools usually understand it quickly. While it mainly focuses on 2D drafting instead of full 3D modeling, it still plays an important role in manufacturing because many production processes rely on detailed technical drawings. For preparing clear manufacturing layouts and part documentation, DraftSite provides a reliable free CAD tool. Number 1. SketchUp Free. SketchUp Free is a simple and flexible CAD tool that can also support basic manufacturing design, especially during the early concept stage. The software runs directly in a web browser, so there is no installation required and projects stay saved online automatically. Designers can quickly build 3D models by drawing shapes and pulling them into solid forms, which makes it easy to create product structures and basic mechanical parts. This approach helps users test different design ideas quickly before moving to more detailed engineering work. SketchUp also provides access to a large 3D model library where users can import components and objects into their designs, which helps when building assemblies or testing how different parts fit together. The interface is clean and easy to understand, allowing beginners to start modeling without spending too much time learning complicated controls. While it does not include advanced engineering simulation or heavy manufacturing analysis tools, it works well for visualizing product shapes and planning design concepts. For manufacturing projects that start with early product modeling and concept testing, SketchUp Free offers a practical and accessible free CAD option. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.